Welcome to Maintain and Store Cleaning Equipment. Maintaining a cleaning storeroom is one of the most important tasks in your cleaning procedures. Not only is it the first place and last place you may see for work each day, it is also the place where your equipment is maintained in a safe, clean and hygienic manner. Cleaning and storage of equipment will vary significantly depending on the type of facility being cleaned, and in particular when following a transmission-based cleaning procedure, for example, when there's an infectious disease. It is your responsibility to seek advice from your supervisor on specific procedures in relation to your organization's infectious cleaning procedures. The information provided in this course is for cleaning and storing equipment as part of your normal daily cleaning procedures. When you finish cleaning, you must clean your equipment according to manufacturer's recommendations. It will help your equipment last longer. For example, damp mops will rot and fall apart. It will prevent contamination by thoroughly cleaning and drying all equipment. It will prevent the growth of bacteria by cleaning, storing and drying equipment properly. And it reduces the cost because equipment lasts longer. Return all equipment, chemicals and PPE to your cleaner's room and store all materials in an organized and accessible, which is easy to reach, manner. You should wipe buckets and rinse them with hot water and detergent until all soil marks are gone. Store upside down on the sink in your cleaner's room. Replace mops according to infection control guidelines and launder dirty mops on a daily basis. Wipe spray bottles with a cloth and detergent to remove soil marks, then rinse with cold water. Place them in a position to dry. The dust mop, use a vacuum cleaner to clean your dust mop. Run the hand nozzle up and down the head to remove as much dust as you can. Ideally, cleaning cloths should be laundered after each use or be disposable. Wash scourers and scrubbing brushes in detergent and hot water, then place them in a position where they can dry. Check vacuum cleaner dirt bags regularly to avoid overfilling. Dispose of full bags carefully without spilling and replace with clean bags. Avoid using paper bags. Clean vacuum cleaner filters and cleaning heads regularly. Accumulation of dust may reduce the performance of the machine. When you finish cleaning, you will need to dispose of used chemical solutions. Once you finish with the chemical solution for the day, never pour it back into its original container. If you do, you can transfer soil and bacteria to the concentrated chemical. Some chemicals, such as detergent, can be poured down a cleaner's sink. Others, which may be harmful to the environment, may need special disposal. They may need to be bottled and sent back to an approved location. Always read the safety data sheet or the manufacturer's instructions before disposing of chemicals. When you finish cleaning, it is important to prepare all the equipment so it's ready for the next shift. It should be clean and in working order so there is no risk of safety or hygiene problems for yourself or others. You should check cleaning equipment and report any faults. Check that equipment is cleaned and stored properly. Check chemical containers for cracks or leaks. Ensure they are closed properly and that you can easily read the chemical labels. Dispose of waste chemicals, wastewater and solid waste safely and according to company policy. Always wash gloves in warm water and detergent and rinse thoroughly before removing them. Take them off and place them where they can dry easily. Always wash your hands with detergent and warm water, rinse in clean water and dry with a hand towel or hand dryer.